Where's the best place to buy bathrooms from? A question I was asked over the weekend. A guy sent me a message and said, Paul, where's the best place to buy bathrooms from for your refurbs? And to which I said, B&Q. People are quite surprised by that. Now, I use B&Q's bathrooms for good reason, but I'll come on to that in a minute. And this guy was like, really? They're the cheapest? I said, well, that's not what you asked. You asked me where the best was, not what the cheapest is. So the point being that best and cheapest are rarely the same. Now, I use B&Q's bathrooms and for a reason. The reasons being that they're a nationwide store. I know I can go buy it off the shelf. I know I can go touch it. I know that the customer service is going to be good. I know that if I've got any issues with it, I can just go back and swap it. I know that I can get spares. There's the readily available spares. I know that if I do a project anywhere in the country, I know that I can go to any B&Q in the country and I can buy that product from anywhere. If there's any damages, I can take it back. And that level of service is what I'm looking for, not necessarily to save a tenner on a different suite that I could have got from, I don't know, a local supplier. Now, I did this post on LinkedIn the other day, and this guy challenged me and said, well, you're a wanker for not supporting local business. But that's not a space that I operate in. And if I was doing one local project in the local area, then maybe I would go to a local supplier if I'm going to get all the things that I get from B&Q. And that's great service, the ability to go change products if I need to, spares, the readily available spares, all them other things that come with using a national supplier like that. So for me, when I say best, I'm looking for service, for value. I'm not looking for price. Well, I am looking for price, but it's not the driving factor. Not only that, B&Q do a range of bathroom suites for your refurbs for 100, I think it's 160 quid, 150 quid or something. It's called the Bodmin. Disclaimer now, I don't work for B&Q. I don't get any kickback from B&Q or anything like that. It's just a point I wanted to make after getting that question. So I hope that has helped, and we will speak soon. Ciao.